guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I've said in my previous video that I'll be showing you how I set up my car phone holder. Yeah, this that I got for my birthday.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid.
You and me, it's what you need,
So today I'm gonna be showing you how I set them up. So let me show you what's in it. This is the phone holder. Yeah, that's it for go. And then I have the mount that you put on the dashboard or the windshield. This is how it looks. And they have this right here. You just turn it and then it's open up. Yeah, so you just lock it back. And then now I have this other thing that you put on this part is the sticky part, so you just place it on the dashboard and then you put this part on it right there like this, so it would stay like this, and then you place it on the dashboard. So what the other part is, so first I'll be taking off this part right here to attach it to the other part. Yeah. Alright, so I think and then like this. See that? Why this thing not scrambling? Oh. Alright. See there? That's how it looks. And then this is the lock thing that when you put it down on the dashboard, you just press this part right here, press it down and it lock. And then you turn this, you turn it, and it extends. See there? And then you just lock it right back. So I'm not even sure where I'm gonna put this, if it's on the windshield or on the dashboard, but I feel I'm gonna put it on the dashboard. Alright, so I'm gonna put this, see the sticky part right here? Yeah, I'm gonna put this right here. And then I'm gonna put this part now. I'm gonna put this part in here like this. This is how it's gonna stay. Alright, yes. Right there. So that's how it's gonna stay. Alright, so you see this thing right here? You see how it bounces up? Alright, so we're gonna press it down. I'm gonna press it down like this, and then the lock right here, so we're gonna press down this so that it can stay locked. See it's stiff? Yeah, so that's how it's gonna be. And then you can rotate it, adjust it to however you want. You can turn it this way, you can bring it down, and then the lock right here, you're gonna spin it. I don't think it's gonna be, yeah, for it to stay locked. Yeah, so I think that's locked now. So you can rotate it. There you go, and that's it. Yes, so we have 2 buttons right there. We just press it and it opens, and then you slide in the phone right here. I don't know where the phone is. Let me get my phone and show you. Alright, so we're gonna put the phone here like this. Yes, and then we push it back. So there you go. There you go. And that is it. That is it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. Yes, I hope you have learned something from this video. Basically how to install your car phone holder to your dashboard. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell for whenever I post my new videos. So stay tuned. Love y'all. Bye.